Hi everybody, Miss Ashtiani here, and I'm going to be doing our spelling focus today. In today's spelling focus we're going to be looking at a prefix. Pause the video here and have a think about what a prefix is. Ready for your check? A prefix is a group of letters which go at the beginning of a root word. Today we're looking at this prefix. What do you think this prefix says? Ready for your check? We've got the letters U and N, so the U makes the sound and the N makes the sound. So together it says un. Now un isn't a word on its own, it's a prefix. It goes at the start of a root word to make a new word. Now this word changes the meaning of a word. Let's have a look a bit more at that. What does the prefix un mean? It means not or the opposite of something. Have a look at these root words and see how adding the prefix un at the beginning changes the meaning of the root word. We're going to play a game. We're going to add root words to the prefix un to make new words. If we've made a real word, we're going to go choo-choo. If it's a fake word, we don't say anything. We just say it's a fake word. Oh, we've had a look at this digraph in our phonics lesson this week. It's the E digraph. Have a go at reading this root word. It says eat. What is the new word? We've got the prefix un and the root word eat. It says uneat. Does that sound like a real word to you? It's not a real word. It's a fake word. Have a go at reading the root word. It says happy. What's the new word? We've got the prefix un and the root word happy. It says unhappy. Does that sound like a real word to you? It is a real word. Choo-choo! I'm reading this root word. It says wrap. What is the new word? We've got the prefix un and the root word wrap. What do you think the word is? It's unwrap. Does that sound like a real word to you? It is a real word. Choo-choo! Have a go at reading this root word. It says quick. So, we've got the prefix un and the root word quick. What do you think the word is? It's unquick. Does that sound like a real word to you? It's not a real word, it's a fake word. Try reading this root word. Ready for your check? It says certain. What is this new word we've made? We've got the prefix un and the root word certain. Uncertain. Does that sound like a real word? It is a real word. Choo-choo! Oh, we've got a long word here. Let's read this root word together. Comfortable. So we've got the prefix un and the root word comfortable. What do you think the new word is? Let's do our check. Uncomfortable. Is that a real word? What do you think? It is a real word. Choo-choo! Try reading this root word. It says do. So we've got the prefix un and the root word do. What do you think the new word is? Undo. Do you think it's a real word? It is a real word. Choo-choo! Your turn. Try reading the root word. It says help. We've got the prefix un and the root word help. Let's try reading this new word. Unhelp. Do you think it's a real word? It's not a real word, it's a fake word. Another long root word. What do you think it says? Have a go at reading it. Ready for your track? Healthy. We've got the prefix un and the root word healthy. What do you think the new word is? Unhealthy. Do you think it's a real word? Choo-choo! It is a real word. Try reading this root word. It says dog. So we've got the prefix un and the root word dog. Does that sound like a real word to you? Undog. It's not a real word, it's a fake word. Last one, everybody. You've been working super hard. Try reading this root word. Tie. We've got the prefix un and the root word tie. What do you think the new word is that we've made? Untie. Do you think it's a real word? Choo-choo, it is a real word. Well done. For the next activity, everybody, you're going to need a piece of paper or your Red Home Learning book and a pencil. For Chili 1, I would like you to choose one unword we've made today. So it could be unhappy, unkind, or any of the other unwords we've made today, and put that unword into a sentence. For Chili 2, I would like you to write 2 sentences. So you're going to choose one unword and put it into a sentence, and another unword we've made and put that into your second sentence. For Chili 3, you're going to choose 3 unwords and write 3 sentences. There's also a Chili 3 extra hot challenge. Let's see if we've got any work hard whizzes who really want to challenge themselves and do the extra hot challenge. Let's find out what it is. Here is an example of how to do the Chili 3 extra hot challenge. For the extra hot challenge, you need to include 2 unwords in one sentence. You'll join your 2 ideas using the conjunction and, which we learnt about in our English lesson last week. Right then, our turn. Let's read the sentence together. My friend was unkind and it made me unhappy. What are the 2 unwords in this sentence? Have a think. The 2 unwords are unkind and unhappy. Remember the steps to success. We need to include capital letters, finger spaces. We need to make sure our letters sit on the line, and we need full stops at the end.